Happy New Year, everyone. This is Janice Johnson, your ministry marketing mentor, and I stopped by to wish you a happy new year and to sing happy birthday. Not sing, I don't sing. So those of you who know me, you know I do not sing. I make joyful noises. And those of you who haven't yet found out, I do not sing. I make joyful noises. But I'm singing happy birthday because it's my birthday. New Year's Day is a special time for me because it was the day I was born. And this year, I would like to share with you a special gift for my birthday. Yes, for my birthday, I want to give you a gift. Now, sitting here, I'm in the sanctuary, helping to prepare for our services that we have coming up this weekend. And I was thinking about you. I was thinking about, man, how could I support the leaders and pastors around the world during this time? I mean, it's a new year, and everyone is really, really excited about what God is doing on the surface. But, you know, some of us, if we're really, really honest, we're struggling a little bit with this time. It's like, gosh, it's a new year and it's a new time, but I don't really have a plan yet. I don't know what's going to happen. I know you're doing a new thing. Many leaders, they're tucked away in these corners, you know, right now. I mean, my pastor, he's away, tucked in a corner, just thinking about meditating on the thing that God gave him for the people for 2012. And even though you're tucked away thinking about that word, a lot of times we struggle with how we're going to get the people in to hear that word. And it's a real struggle. It's a real challenge. And it doesn't matter if you're a pastor or you're a business owner. As believers called to expand our reach, that's something we face often. And without a clear strategy and a plan, even the best things that we have, the best ideas, the biggest visions are really tough to go bring to pass and to move forward on when we don't have a plan. So I was like, how can I help? How can I help? And, you know, a lot of people have been Facebooking me and, you know, texting and sending emails saying, you know, Janice, let's get together in the new year. There's some stuff I want to do with you. I need some help, you know. And so I'm like, gosh, what can I do? Well, I was like, why don't I give them a gift? And I want to give to you something. Okay, two things. So first of all, I want to talk to you about this gift that I just received. I got like the best birthday gift. Although my birthday is not here yet, I got the best gift, and I want to share it with you. So I'm going to share with you my gift. I want you to take a look at it and let me know what you think. I'm really excited. For me, because I'm a little bit of a nerd, it was really exciting to receive my video back from my last event, from the video, for my videographers, and it's all edited, and I liked it, and I'm really, really excited. So it was such a great gift. So take a minute, look at the video of the event. It's the Road to Expansion event. Take a look at the video, give me your feedback, let me know what you think. I know I'm excited. I want to know if you're excited. So that's the first thing. So I'm telling you about my gift. Then I want to give you a gift, and I want to give you a precious gift, something that's really important to me, something that's very valuable to me. Now, my mentors, I'm hoping they are not looking at this video right now, but all of them guard me against this, and they teach to do opposite of what I'm about to tell you. And they said, never give away this, but what I'm going to give to you is my time. I think that's the best gift that I have to offer you. It's my time. I want to give you time one-on-one with me for us to talk, to strategize, to really plan and map out your next steps in a more strategic and focused moment. So what I'm offering you is an hour. Now, I can't give you all my time. I'm already breaking the rules by giving you some of it, but I would like to at least give you an hour. I would like to sit with you and hear your vision and talk about what are your exact next steps in this moment. A lot of times we have great vision, especially as visionaries, and I work with a lot of them. And I work with ministries, big, small, all around the world, different nationalities, and you know, in different cultural backgrounds, and we all struggle, all of them. I mean, many struggle with the same thing. It's like, how do I get this big, big thing into bite-sized pieces so I'll know what to do, and so my team will know what to do. And during this time of year, you know, we're all frantic because the year is here, the new year is here, and what are we going to do? The worst thing you can try to do is everything. So that's the first thing. I want to just let you know, if you're trying to do everything, that's the worst thing that you can do. The second worst thing, I mean, if that's possible, if that's worse, how can something be second worst? Well, whatever the right terminology is do nothing. So the second worst thing, or whatever the best word is to do nothing. And but the best thing you can do is take it piece by piece and take one step at a time. And I want to help you determine what is that right next step. What is the best strategic step? Actually, I'll tell you what the Lord told me. What is that simple step? So during our time together, we're not just going to discuss a whole bunch of ideas and not just every single step you can possibly take. I'm going to listen to your vision. And I'm going to share with you your next step for right now where you are. For right now, when January hits and you're looking about what you want to do at the end of the month, or what you want to do in February, I want to talk to you, and I want to share with you and strategize with you your exact next step for your ministry or your Christian organization. Now, I'm going to offer that at a very reduced investment because it's a gift. And so, it's a gift. I'm not doing it for free. Sorry, no. But I will do it for a reduced investment. But on top of that, I also want to give you an opportunity to come fellowship and to work and to collaborate with other Christian leaders. So the video you're watching, the one that I'm really excited about, take a look at it. And if you're really excited about that event and you're like, Janice, I want to be there, that Road to Expansion event is offered here in Atlanta several times this year. And if you take advantage, when you take advantage of the opportunity to speak with me one-on-one, I would like to gift you in that whole little package an opportunity to spend a day with me and other Christian leaders, and we work together. That is powerful. When you're coming together with other Christian leaders, others who are like-minded, who have a vision that they want to move forward, and together you're strategizing and you're looking at it, and it's masterminding. It's on a different level. One of the things I like to say about masterminding is, masterminding small groups coming together for a great purpose. Everyone is 100% committed to the other person's vision. I know, it sounds crazy because we're so competitive these days, but it actually works. But the difference in this mastermind opportunity, small group, is that is really doing ministry by the master's mind. What you'll learn about me, for those of you who are new to my ministry and the things that I do with pastors and Christian leaders, is I first make my decisions based on what he says, based on what God says. It's him first and all the other strategies second. And he's the best strategist. He has the best moves, and he gives divine strategies that help you move quickly, effectively, and almost seamlessly. So when you get together with other people who feel that same way, miracles happen. Just trust me on that one. So anyway, I would love to offer you an opportunity for you to speak with me for a full hour. And I'll make sure that hour is very strategic. I'll give you all the forms, everything you need to do to plan for it, so we know exactly what you want to work on. But let's just talk about some of the things we could cover. If you decide, yeah, Janice, I want to spend some time with you. I have a pastor, one of my clients, he came to me and he was like, Janice, we saw 3,000 people last year. I was like, okay, that's great. He said, but only 1,000 connected with my ministry. I was like, oh, okay, that's not so great. And it's not, that actually isn't really bad on the grand scheme of things, because 30% connection and, is really, really good. But I applaud him for his desire to want to do more, because, God has called him to do greater. And together, I found out what they were doing, and I heard him and talked to the team members. In a matter of moments, I was able to identify exactly what was causing that disconnect, what exactly was causing people not to come back. Some people were asking me stuff like, but, maybe your ministry or your business isn't we didn't see 3,000 people, I'm just trying to figure out, with the limited budget and the limited team that we have, how do we get people here? What do we do? What do we say to get people here? And I spent a whole year, I've heard you, you've said it to me, you spent the whole of 2011 trying everything to get people in, and it's been a hard time for you. You had a hard time getting them in. We can talk about that. I can look at where you are as far as your ministry, whether you're in the foundation stages or whether you're just at a stage where you're existing, whether you're expanding and you want to take it to the next level, or whether you're just thriving and you're ready to do something that really is going to separate you from everyone else. Wherever you are, I would love to chat with you and give you your strategic next step. So if that's something that you are interested in, my birthday gift to you, bring the new year in expanding. Bring the new year in strategically. Bring the new year in making simple steps towards significant success. I would love to help you, and I would love to support you. So you're probably wondering, Janice, what in the world would an opportunity like that cost? Well, thousands of dollars is usually how much it costs. I'm going to be honest, it takes a lot. It's my time, all my years of studying and working with several pastors and Christian leaders all around the world. It's, my time, my secret prayer times, those moments when I cried, when no one else was crying, and all pulled together, and that makes me. And so it is worth a lot. It's actually priceless, but I kind of put thousands of dollars on it. But for this time, for you all who are ready to make this decision, and those of you who make this decision only for a limited time, I'm offering you this opportunity for $297. Now, let me tell you how great that is. It's great because an hour's worth of my time is generously priced on my site by Era at $297, and is worth far more than that. But the event, the opportunity to spend a day with Christian leaders in a small group setting with me where we're working together through expansion plan for a whole day, that is offered on my site right now for $297. And then, so it's like already, $297, almost $600 worth of stuff for $300, so you save $300. But then it gives you the peace of mind, and that's priceless, to know that, you know what, God, thank you for sending someone right in this moment to help me. Someone who cares, somebody who knows where you've been on so many levels, more than you probably ever could imagine, who's committed and is going to help you do this thing without compromise, and nothing can compare to that. The other thing that I'm excited to share with you, and I'm excited about this opportunity, is that it doesn't have to be hard. And I know that a lot of times we think that way. We think we have to have a whole bunch of money and we got to have a whole lot of people. And, it's funny because I'm thinking about that client who called about the 3,000 people. Do you know when we first started working together, he had 20 people? He had 20. They only had 20 people, not a big budget. It was in a new city, a country city at that, not even a big metropolitan area. But he had a big vision. And we worked out a strategy that now, 5 years later, he has 6,000 people. And so, he has 6,000 people, and he's still thinking, I need a simple strategy, because 3,000 more came in year 5 and only 1,000 connected. That could be you. And I'm not promising that kind of stuff, but I'm saying, you know what, when we take what God has given us and we apply it to a plan, and we look all through Scripture, God blesses plans. He blesses and He honors vision that have a plan attached to it. It's amazing what He'll do. So I would love to help you. I'd love to share this time with you this year. So take a look at the video. Give me your comments. And if you want to work with me, I'm only doing this. Oh, yeah, I didn't say that. So I can't do this all the time. I mean, we have a busy year. I have lots of people to serve this year. I have my children, and I want to have a life, because there is a such thing as having harmony with your life and what God has called you to do. So I'm unable to do it all the time. This opportunity to work with me this closely is only available through the end of the week. So through Friday, January 5th. I think that's the date. I don't know. January 5th is the date. I don't know if that's Friday. But you have until January 5th to secure your spot. And then you can take that hour anytime between now and January 31st. So you have, for $297, you get an hour of my time. I'll record that hour so you can play it over and over again and take notes. And then I also will offer you a ticket to come with me and join me here in Atlanta. You get to pick from one of 6 dates to join me here in Atlanta for a Road to Expansion live event, which you'll see on the video. And I promise, I can stand by that, because it's God's work, not mine, that your life and your ministry will never be the same. If that's something that you know you want to do, you know you need to do, this is the thing you've been praying about, why don't you click the buttons on this page? Join me today, and I'll see you soon. God bless you. Happy New Year. And I think this is going to be a great birthday gift for me. I get to help you. So I'll talk to you soon. Be blessed. Yeah, blew a kiss.